now I will be showing you my slime. So, first slime we're going to do, I'm in my new bedroom. And the first slime I'm going to show you is this little slime I had. It's so little, you could stretch it a lot. But then it breaks often, really, really often. Really often. And then the second one is right here. Really stretch it. Whoa! Did not fall down. Around this street. And then I'm going to show you my blue slime that I love. That I made all these slimes. Okay. Ah! Because I put them in good. I have a slime factory, but it's in my other room because I have like 4 rooms because I have a room. Carter moved out a long time ago, but I will see him like a couple days later, okay? I won't see him that much anymore because he moved out. And now I'm a single child, so now I can have like 3 rooms and like 1 bathroom, which is like my makeup room. I want to show you guys my tiny slime. This is my best slime, but it doesn't stretch that much. Stretches like up to the like button, right to the like button. So, but hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.